So we're doing a $5 fishing challenge in Walmart, of course. So we got $5. So for 186, I found these. And this might be a good one. Let's see if we can find one more. So our total is $3.49. Got one, finally. Dude, he inhaled that. Oh my god. He's a little bloody, so we'll get him back quick. Oh yeah, he swam off nice. First fish on the little $1 lure. Oh my god, back to back. I didn't even end the clip. Got one. On the dull hooks. Yes, dude. Let's go. That's a better fish. I've lost, I think, 4 fish on this one lure. I got this guy. So, walk down these rocks a little bit. Good fish right there, probably about a 1.5 pounder. Oh, that's a good fish. Oh my god, that's a giant. Giant bass. Don't jump. Don't jump. Giant bass. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. There we go. Oh my god. The hook fell out. Oh my god. Giant bass. If I can. Alright. Let's get the release. Oh my god. Another giant. Inhaled it. Oh, that's a good fish. Dude. Dude, that's a good fish. Oh my god, that happened so quick. Look at that. Very healthy fish. Budget challenge. Dude, my camera's recording good. That was a crazy bite. Good healthy 2.5, almost 3 pounder. Very fat. very fat fish. Let's get it released. Hell yeah.